Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable Luno Labs on Luno account. So first we're going to open the Luno app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then next you're going to click on settings. Then scroll downwards and click on Luno Labs. It's disabled as you can see. Then you're going to click on Enable Labs. So you're going to enjoy early access to new features and give them feedback as well. So as you can see, all the items being tested are now available to us. So that's the importance of enabling this setting. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.